Hey, flockers! Today I'm having some foraging fun. Food is meant to be played with. Since I sit in a cage all day, I need something to keep me mentally stimulated, and sometimes food can do that. But I like to work for my food a bit. As you can see, today's beakfast needs a lot of work to get in and at it. My pet Ooman made a foraging toy. She cooked some fresh eggies and put them in a paper cuppy. Then she folded the paper cuppy so that I had to chew my way through it to get to the delicious eggies inside. The paper cup she chose is uncoated. You don't want something with wax all over it. Yuck! That would taste horrible. Paper's fine. And obviously, if this paper's meant for Ooman food, it's okay for parrot food. You'll notice that I'm tearing apart the paper to get at the delicious eggies inside. It's a great way to keep me stimulated, and I love working for my food, especially when it's as delicious as this. You should try it for your parrot. I bet they'd enjoy it. Just remember, eggies are delicious. We'll go through lots of work to get for them. If you enjoyed today's video, beak that subscribe button and join the flock.